How are you today? Welcome, Miss Wong.
Thank you. This place is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So what do we have on the menu today?
You have a mushroom with the cucumber salad, selection of dumplings, Chinese Peking duck, and stir-fried Wagyu beef.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Wow, this is beautiful.
I know, right? The food is served with exquisite attention to detail, and like the presentation is amazing. I'm ready to eat.
So what should we start with?
Let's start with the duck.
It looks very juicy. I hope it tastes the same.
Yeah.
A little bit of the sauce. Veggies.
I'm using my chopsticks already.
You're doing it right, Ameera.
I'm going for my hands. Hold on. I'm gonna go with the cucumbers.
And it's like a small, tiny Chinese shawarma roll.
That's all right.
Incredible. The meat is tender. It's juicy, fantastic.
The sauce is sweet, and it's really nice with the cucumbers, and the duck is cooked perfectly.
So what do you want to try next?
Wagyu beef.
It looks incredible.
Looks amazing.
It looks fantastic. How's the beef?
It's buttery. It's tender. I really like it.
Yeah, you can taste the butter very easily, and it melts in the mouth. It has a nice color to it as well. It's a pink. On the inside, it's beautifully cooked.
And it's sweet. The pinnacle of fine dining. I love it. I'm gonna have more of the duck actually.
Let's move to the Chinese here with mushroom and cucumber salad. I'm excited to try this because it looks very
So colorful.
colorful, sophisticated, fancy, and I've never tried here with mushroom. I don't know what that is. Time to be surprised.
It's a bit salty.
Yeah, but with each bite, there's like a punch, like a kick that you get. It's very refreshing. There's also the dim sum, which looks
So colorful.
So colorful, so tempting. I'm going to check out the dim sum next.
Oh.
I think there's vegetarian dim sum, there's chicken.
It's so colorful. Which one? Which one are you gonna go for?
These dim sums look like sushi. This is a chicken dim sum. The Chinese dim sum. Miss Wong's Chinese dim sum is famous. They are flavorful. With each bite, it evokes great memories, so it's fun to eat.
Oh, it looks amazing from the inside.
Yeah.
Entertainment, beer drinks.
Oh, what do we have here?
Fortune teller. It offers a word of wisdom by Miss Wong.
Oh, so we've heard of fortune teller cookies, but not drinks. That's interesting.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step and a PCR test. Step. Interesting, the COVID version.
Oh, okay. Better a diamond with flaws than a pebble without one. It's interesting. There you go.
Time to taste the drink.
Let's try it.
It's interesting. I wonder what this is on the top. I like the presentation. It's very sophisticated. It's juicy.
I taste cinnamon.
Cinnamon. It's peach, I think.
Let's try
It's apricot.
Oh,
Correct. It's apricot.
apricot.
I taste cinnamon.
See
This
it?
is interesting. This is
Ooh.
unlike any regular drink,
Yeah, it's light and it's refreshing, but it's also like flavorful. The cinnamon
and it
the-
goes so well with the rest of the
Yeah.
dishes.
Gonna keep eating and enjoying our food. We'll see you in a bit.
Our journey ends here. With an Imperial experience, we got the opportunity to taste authentic Chinese food.
Miss Wong is the perfect place for a unique fine dining experience.